welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something super fun. I'm going to be making slime. So I have my bowl here. I'm going to just put it right here. You could just kind of see the edge. And doing slime on this channel is one of my favorite things to do. And today for slime we have something super cool. We have this thing. It's Elmer's Magical Liquid. It's basically activator, but it is glow in the dark, which I think is so cool. So it makes the slime glow in the dark once you build it. So yeah, I think that's really cool. Sorry for the noise. So I have my glue here. I'm just going to put a bit of glue. As much as you put in here, let me for you guys, as much as you put in is how much slime you're going to get at the end of this. So I'm going to just put a little bit. Plop, 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 plop. Okay, I think that's how good. Okay. Alright, so I got my Elmer's glue inside of there. Now I'm going to I don't have any fun colors or anything because I didn't know if it was going to work out with any colors. So I just decided just to stick it with white. But I'm going to go ahead and put the activator in here. So let's put the activator, which I'm really excited about. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. That was my fault. The tripod you guys were on just fell. But there you go. Okay. Alright. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're good now. Okay, let's open this up. There might be a protective seal, so I'm just going to open protective seal. So let's open the protective seal. Okay, I'm opening the protective seal and I'm being super careful so all the liquid doesn't pour on me. Okay, got it open. Now I'm just going to pour a tiny bit in. They said a little goes a long way. So just a little bit, like just a tiny, like that much. So I'm just gonna put a little bit and start stirring. Ooh, it's super glittery. I don't know if you guys could see. It's like really glittery. Oh, it's starting even to turn into slime. It's like clumping out. Good. I'm really excited for this. If you guys can't tell, I am really hoping this works out because I want glow in the dark slime. Boop. Okay. Because that sounds really cool. Glow in the dark slime. So I'm just doing what they recommended. They said a little goes a long way, and also I read the reviews. It said a little goes a long way. So, and they said like the whole bottle gets like 4 or 5 slimes out of it. So that's good. So I'm stirring it, and it's still very liquidy. So I need to put a little more. Okay. I'm doing a little each time I pour some in, just because I know a little goes a long way. Stir, 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 stir. Whee! It's getting thicker. It's starting to clump, which is a very good sign. Okay. Put a little more. starting to clump up a lot now. It's getting thicker. I really hope this works. I'm going to, once I do this, after I finish making the slime, I'm going to take you guys inside and show you guys what it looks like with the lights off. Because we're outside right now. See, I'm kind of in front of a tree. This is our tree. So, yep. Okay, it's really starting to clump up. It's kind of like a light green color. It's like very light. It looks like white in the camera, but it's like very, very light green. Okay. Ooh. Starting to clump. I'm excited, if you guys can't tell. Okay, it's very starting to turn into slime. Oop, look at that. I love slime. Mix. Okay, I probably just need a bit more activator. Ooh. I think that was a bit too much. But... okay, mix. I think I'm gonna start going in with my hands, but just for one hand. Let me see if I... okay, wait. I can't see. I think I'm gonna put just a tiny bit more activator than going with my hands. Okay. Sorry for all of the noise in the background. It's a very mowy lawn day today. Everybody wants to mow their lawn. Okay. It's very starting to clump up. I think I might have put a little too much school glue. Okay, I'm going to start going in with my hand, but I'm just going to do one hand at a time. Yeah, it's very sticky, but it is starting to turn into more clumpy. So I think this is really starting to work out. I'm really hoping it will. I'm keeping one hand without mixing in, so I could hold this. Okay, mixing. Whoa. Okay, they said a little goes a long way, but usually by now, I would have already made slime with normal borax. I'm really hoping this will work out. It's starting to not work out as much, but it is starting to clump, if you guys could see. But it's so sticky. It's not slimy yet. It's not coming out of the bowl at all, but I'm really hoping this will work out. Should have made a smaller batch of slime. Less glue next time. But it is a normal size thing. Elmer's is watching me right now, which they're not. They are, just saying, you should make your activator a bit more strong, because this is not strong. It's like putting a tiny bit of borax in a lot of water. Like a lake of water with 2 cups of borax. That's what it's like. Ooh, it's starting to turn into slime a lot. Oh my god, guys. I'm so happy. I really wanted this thing to work. It's still pretty sticky, but it's like starting to come off the bowl. Yes. That's what I wanted. Yes. I think I could start going in 2 hands just to put a tiny pump more than the activator. Now I'm going to start going in with both hands. This is starting to work out. Okay. Okay. I'm really hoping it will work. I want to go in the dark slime. Guys, cross your fingers. This will work out. I'm really hoping it will. It's already been 10 minutes. Okay, my hands are super duper sticky. I don't want to hoping the slime. You see that, guys? It's starting to turn into actual slime. I am so happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, it's starting to turn into slime. I think it just needs a tiny bit more activator. Then we're done with all of this, and I can show you guys what it looks like in the dark and see if it glows in the dark, which I really hope it does. And it's really slimy, guys. I think we did it. I think it's slime now. I'm so happy because look at this slime. So pretty. And it's probably gonna glow in the dark. That's the whole reason why I got this activator, is because it said it was gonna glow in the dark. And so I think it's going to do that. So I'm super excited. So yes, and I'll tell you if I recommend. Right now, I mean, they should have made this activator way more strong, because I used like half of the bottle. It said it was gonna, but I used like half of the bottle. So this like takes 3, but yep. Now I'm gonna put it in its container. I was like, I'm gonna need a container, so I got myself a container. Put it in. Okay, guys, yeah, I definitely recommend this. Super cute. Recommend. I definitely think you should get it. And now I'll show you what it looks like in darkness. Here is what it looks like with the lights turned off. Yes, guys, that is so cool. Whoa. That is so glowing in the dark. This is so cool. So cool. Definitely recommend this. And this is what it looks like when you turn it off. So here's it with the lights turned off, and then when you turn it on. Nice. That was really cool. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.